Zahhak was a king. He was mean and cruel. Some dark snakes grew right out of his shoulders. It was a curse from an evil spirit. The snakes were always hungry. Every day, they needed two young people to eat. They demanded this terrible meal from the king. The king's helpers had to do the bad thing. Every morning, people cried. They felt deep sorrow because of the king's cruel rule. In a small town, a strong and kind man named Kaveh worked. Kaveh was a blacksmith. He loved his son, Ahnger, very much. But then the king's guards came. They came for Kaveh's last child, his son Ahnger. Kaveh had already lost other children. His heart filled with burning rage. No! No! Kaveh ran fast to the palace. He was not afraid. He ran right into the king's big room. His heart beat loud, like his hammer hitting the metal. Give me back my child, Kaveh roared at the throne. King Zahhak was very surprised by the blacksmith's loud bravery. Where is my child? Where is my child? Zahhak quickly hid his fear. He pretended to be a good king and offered a paper. Sign this, he said. It says I am good and fair to my people. Kaveh knew the king was lying. He grabbed the paper and ripped it. You are not a good king, Kaveh shouted. He threw the pieces at Zahhak's feet and ran outside. Outside, Kaveh found a long pole. He grabbed his own leather apron, the one he wore when he worked the fire. He tied it to the pole and held it high. The people saw the blacksmith's flag. They saw his courage. They began to follow him and cheer very loudly. They helped turn the apron into a real banner. This was the Drafsh Kaviani, the banner of Kaveh. It was a sign of hope. Kaveh led the people to find Prince Freydun. Together, they beat the cruel Zahhak and brought peace to the land forever.